Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we are Monday, July 16th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, we have Microsoft that is actually teaming up with National Geographic in a bid to actually add artificial intelligence driven conservation program to help, of course, nature, biodiversity, and just make everything better for us and for our planet. So they have been investing. They actually gave $1 million towards that, and Microsoft is working on different projects to keep the Earth, viable and kind of help us deal with everything. Well, timeline is a feature that, of course, was introduced in 1803, the April 2018 version of Windows 10, but it had one big flaw, is that not many apps except those of Microsoft actually work with it. Well, a add-on that was created works with Firefox and Google Chrome and adds the timeline capability as well as, of course, syncing of the information between Windows 10 machines. That might help make timeline a little more usable. Well, Microsoft's Chief Legal Officer Brad Smith is asking the US government to regulate facial recognition tech. It is more and more powerful, and it sends sometimes people's faces to different servers. We don't really know where or who they are, and also there could be a lot of bad and really bad use for facial recognition. Also, all the problems related with its precision right now, but Microsoft thinks regulation needs to be done to have everybody stay safe. A patent has been showing up, and it actually seems to be showing up and kind of hinting that Microsoft is or has been working on a touchless interface where gestures are pretty much what replacing the touch surface. Machines or devices that actually know where you're looking at on the screen, and pointing at objects for or icons on the screen to kind of click like a mouse, or when you do your touchpad. So it's kind of interesting to see this, and I don't know. We'll see if the future is touchless. Talking once again lots of Microsoft stuff today. An employee at Microsoft seems to say that the company is working on a Microsoft phone that would actually be running Android. Now, if this is true, that could be an interesting thing, and who knows, could that be the Andromeda device? Maybe not, maybe yes, we don't know. So basically it's interesting, but we wonder why, if they do so, they haven't done so to kind of replace the aging Windows phones that could have maybe helped sales. Well, a German court says that a deceased user can it's private Facebook Messenger messages can be sent to the family as part of inheritance. Inheritance is after the people actually decease, what's happening is that these are kind of locked down, and the family, which actually suffered a loss because of somebody committing suicide, wanted to see the private Facebook posts or the private Facebook Messenger posts that were sent out to kind of understand why he actually did commit suicide. So kind of interesting, and there's a lot of these legal issues of after we pass away, what exactly will happen with our digital life. Well, a US senator says that smart TVs need to be investigated. They spy on us and we don't even know about it. Now, there were some cases of Samsung TVs that might have kind of recorded a screenshot, or maybe what you were doing or listening or watching on your TV, and it kind of is creepy when you think about it. Well, that senator says that we need to investigate and see up to what point these devices actually spy on us. A interesting report says that businesses need to work with a common strategy with employees in IT to make sure that if there's any data breach or hacking, that it will be actually not too impactful. It will actually reduce the downtime, the time when the company can't really operate sometimes. And by actually having a common strategy, it helps getting the company back as fast as possible at doing what it does. So you think that you're the king of IT security, that everything is secure thanks to you and because you are there? Well, a new study seems to show that whatever you do, whatever steps you take, hackers can easily bypass your security, and that basically there are other types of strategies that need to be thought about in order for businesses to stay safe. And finally, if you're still using Skype version 7, well, you'll have to use version 8. Microsoft is actually pushing everybody on 8 as the version 7 will stop working. So if you are still in an older version, you'll have to move on. And this was the Tech News Update for Monday, July 16, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.